What is up, everybody, and welcome. Today we are going over the AutoTune EFX, how it works, how it sounds, and just how to use it. And this will only take probably 2 or 3 minutes, so let's get right into it. Once you've got it into your program that you mix your music with, you want to go in there. This is what I use, is Mixcraft, and I'm just going to show you guys how it sounds real quick. So I'll activate all these again. So you can get a real idea of how it can all sound together.
Stay straight up, get high and make them plays. Stay working overtime and cut the brakes. Making all this mind, creating waves. Wake up and get high, that's wake and bake. The new age is here. Yeah, I know you see me. You looking at me weird. Steam is blowing out the side above my ears. And this dream I had to set it right and live. I've been dreaming about a better life for you.
So now you guys can see how it sounds. Let's go into how to create that. So first thing you want to do, you want to go to the start of the beat, and you want to put onto the beat track auto key. Once you've got auto key on there, you're going to open it up. And when you play the song, it's going to actually listen out and find the key of the song. F sharp minor. So, now when I come over to my vocals and I chuck on the AutoTune EFX and you open this up, the key and the scale is here. So, F sharp minor. Now what I like to do for the smoothest sound possible, let's give that a pause. What I like to do for the smoothest sound possible, what I have found has the most kind of accurate, smooth sound for me at least, is having the retune speed all the way up to the right here and the humanize all the way to the right here. So basically, some songs are different though. I will say that the songs that I do that are a bit more acoustic-y, that are a bit slower, sometimes the retune speed I like to have around 6. But the humanize I always have all the way up. So basically what this is how quickly it grabs to each note that you're singing. So down here there'll be more time before making the that pitch grabbing sort of sound. And now that's basically what that is. I like to have it all the way up for the most part though. Around 6 sounds really smooth as well. And humanize basically goes, we'll put the sound on as well so you can hear it. And I'm gonna turn these other effects off here so that you can have a really more direct sound of just the auto-tune on the vocals. So let's get to that hook again.
Stay working overtime and cut the brakes.
They even do it just though.
Making all this mind, creating waves.
You can see.
Wake up and get high, that's wake and bake. Stay straight up, get high and make them play.
Say it was over here.
Stay working overtime and cut the brakes.
See how it's not quite
Making all this mind, creating waves.
grabbing as much?
Oh,
If you have it over
I
here.
know you feel it in the air.
It's really grabbing
The new age is here.
really grabbing every note. And the humanize basically is meant to be kind of from a robot-y kind of tinny sound to a more smooth human-y sound. In my mind, it's kind of like from a high sound to a low sound, or kind of like just kind of like a more tinny sound to a more natural sound. I like to have it all the way up because to me it sounds the smoothest.
Stay working overtime and cut the brakes. Making all this mind, creating waves.
So that's the basics of that. I will give you guys a few more tips about how to get the whole bodied sound to it.
I know you feel
With all
it
these
in
different
the
effects.
air. The new age is here. Yeah, I know you see me. You looking at me weird.
So I won't go through all of it, but basically I chuck some reverb on there, a bit of EQ, some compression. I de-ess the vocals. That's important, especially when you're playing around with, making the sound be more expressed. It's good to have it nice and clean sounding, as clean as possible. And then some limiters. I also got on here these filters where, because they're too It says default settings, but that's just this program that actually set to a particular setting. It just does that when you reopen it for some reason at the moment. But yeah, so when I just have these two here, and they complement one another. And yeah, so that's basically it. You guys can see the difference. Say with it, without it.
I know you feel it in the air. The new age is here. Yeah.
And then we have it with the effect on. Listen to that difference.
Making all this mind creating waves. I know you feel it in the air. The new age is here. Yeah, I know you see me.
So that's it. Hope you guys enjoyed. If you do, be sure to leave a like and a subscribe. It really helps YouTube to see that people are enjoying the content. So I hope it helped. Much love, everybody. I'll be back in a new video soon. Bless up.